Hi, Cozy Corner or Vignette is hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Design with Emma. The theme this time is Winter Wonderland. The co-hosts are Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Barbie Daily Rule, and me, z9designs. And make sure you use the hashtag CozyCorner24. The theme is Winter Wonderland. My theme this year is New Year, New Start, and it is winter time. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9Designs. I am going to set a table for New Year's Eve that you would enjoy. So let's set the table. The supplies needed include glass chargers, it was gifted, white plates, black salad plates, gold and white silverware, clear glasses trimmed in gold, organdy star coasters, gold and cream napkins, office pencil holders or non-alcoholic bottle holders, gold and black candlesticks with rocks for weight, black candlestick with greenery and candle, a watch hanging on a candle container, and a gold sequin runner. Of course, you always start out with a clean table and put down a gorgeous sequin runner on top of your table. That gives it that glam look. Then put down your clear glass chargers. On top of that, a plain white plate graces the chargers. The black salad plate is placed on top that commands attention. Organdy gold coasters are placed at the right side of the plate. And a beautiful glass trimmed in gold at the top is the star. The centerpiece is 2 empty containers sprayed black and gold. They are filled with rocks for stability. And 2 white candles are inserted and lit for a moody ambiance. White and gold silverware is placed on the left and right side of the charger. And a dessert spoon is placed at the top of the charger. A cloth napkin is wrapped around the white plate and the black salad plate. Who says you can't use office supplies to put your non-alcoholic beverage inside? Look at how cute it looks. And in fact, they can be sprayed any color. So next time you see it, it may be a different color. Now we're ready to ring in the new year with family and friends. How beautiful! If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting is satisfying, but also very challenging work. I always enjoy encouraging comments. So also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, spread joy like confetti for the new year. See you later. Bye-bye.